you.
Hi guys, time to make myself at home.
Oh, hi Erling.
Morning, you all right?
Yeah, good.
It's nice and neat in here. Well done.
Oh, thank you very much.
Before you go, can I have some of that, please?
Yeah, make yourself at home.
Feet up, everyone. Coming through.
Kids, come and lay the table, please.
Garlic bread's ready. I said the garlic bread's ready.
Don't forget glasses.
And the napkins.
Grazie.
Strong formation, guys. Well done.
Thanks, Erling.
Please, allow me.
Thanks, Erling.
No problem.
Erling, what are you doing in there?
Whoa, whoa.
Come on, hop out.
Can you put this in the wash for me, please?
Yeah, sure.
Right, I'll get back to it.
Jobs to do.
Giving you a little helping hand at home. Do you want me to get that for you?